You're watching the Norfolk Southern Sherwood Subdivision. I'm Harold, thanks for watching. Today, an operations video. We're going to exchange refrigerator cars at our new industry, Richard's Foods. The refrigerator car behind the locomotive that you see is full. The one at Richard's Foods is empty and needs to be picked up, so they need to be exchanged. If you like more operations videos, or perhaps some of our layout construction videos, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now let's get on with the operations video. Our train coming from the east pulls into the Sherwood interchange yard. After uncoupling, the locomotive makes a runaround maneuver. With the runaround maneuver completed, the locomotive will reattach to the cars that it brought with it. Cars are pulled forward to clear the turnout that's going to lead back to Richard's Foods. Our train now proceeds to Richard's Foods to pick up the empty car. The empty car will be temporarily placed on the convenient lead to Martin Manufacturing. We'll be back in a moment to pick it up. Having deposited our empty car on the lead to Martin Manufacturing, we will proceed to place and drop the full refrigerator car at Richard's Foods. Leaving behind the full refrigerator car at Richard's Foods, we will now pick up the empty that's on the spur leading to Martin Manufacturing. Having picked up the empty refrigerator car, our train will now return to its origin, and will go back long end first because there's no way to turn the engine around here in Sherwood. That's our short operations video for today. Hope you enjoyed that. For more operations or layout construction videos, please consider subscribing to this channel. And we thank you for watching the Norfolk Southern Sherwood Subdivision.